A new docuseries exposing alleged abuses by pharmacy benefit managers, or PBMs, has been abruptly removed from Amazon Prime Video. The takedown is raising alarms among patient advocates, healthcare professionals, and free speech watchdogs. Our reporter Shauna Johnson has the story.
The series Modern Medical Mafia was created by a Wisconsin-based advocacy group called Patient Protector, a coalition of pharmacists, physicians, and patients working to expose what they call entrenched corruption in the U.S. healthcare supply chain.
We knew we had to make a documentary explaining to folks just how prevalent and abusive PBMs are.
Former Hometown Pharmacy co-founder Dan Strauss teamed up with his daughter Mary, an LA filmmaker, to highlight alleged fraud and abuse nationwide.
We thought we'd need 10 to 12 interviews. Instead, we had close to 30 subject matter experts from across the spectrum of healthcare.
So the early start of PBMs was not a bad thing. It's changed.
The film features whistleblowers, former PBM executives, members of Congress, and families impacted by denied or delayed medications. It documents pharmacy closures in underserved communities and alleges unlawful PBM policies, costing lives. About a month after its digital premiere, Amazon Prime Video delisted the series without warning. Strauss said the timing followed his testimony at a Wisconsin Senate hearing.
We've even created a docuseries that's now been picked up on Amazon Prime just on this topic.
And unfortunately, 2 days later is when Mary went to check the link and it was gone.
After the takedown, social media erupted with claims Big Pharma and PBM lobbyists pressured Amazon. The New York Times further investigated and found United Healthcare had sent Amazon a 10-page legal threat before the series aired and a 16-page letter after its release calling it defamatory.
Before the series was even released, United Healthcare had sent a 10-page, 11-page legal document to Amazon saying that it was defamatory and that it would cause problems and therefore they shouldn't pick it up. But they still did. It wasn't until a month later where United Healthcare sent a 16-page document saying that it was defamatory in that statement after it was finally released.
Amazon told The Times it was pulled for low quality.
If it were because of low quality after a month's worth of it being up and they picked it up within a couple of days, it's just kind of a cop-out. For United Healthcare to be threatened by something made by two people and everyone who was a part and within the film, it says a lot that Jake Auchincloss says within the film, tell me you're guilty without telling me you're guilty. And that pretty much states it.
David Enrich, finance editor at the New York Times, known for uncovering corporate misconduct, wrote that the removal fits a troubling pattern of media suppression where journalists, broadcasters, and now filmmakers are pressured when exposing information PBMs work to keep hidden.
That article created significant awareness. We went from 4,000 views to 35,000 views in just a matter of a handful of days. Mary was a one-person show. She did everything, the editing, the sound, the coloring, in a very, very compressed time frame, because we know that there's a sense of urgency out there. I mean, people are being harmed at even a faster pace than before.
Patient Protector is urging the public to demand answers from lawmakers and share the documentary on alternative platforms, including YouTube. Links to the film and supporting articles are on our WJFW website and our social media. Reporting from Rhinelander, Shauna Johnson, Newswatch 12.